then put it on your plate.
That is Scenic. Come on and cook with me.
That's it. Hello.
That is Scenic.
I'm Gary, cooking ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School. I came here because I would like to show you the papaya. Okay, have you ever seen the real papaya like this in your country? If you stay in the tropical country, yes, but if you stay in the cold country, maybe you cannot find the fresh one because the green papaya like this is young papaya, but when it turns rough, it looks orange. It's like a fruit. Okay, but Thai people we use green papaya for papaya salad and some local curry. So papaya has no season. Papaya we can grow all year. We can grow everywhere in Thailand. Mango, it's season. You can, if you want to eat mango, you have to find in mango season. You have to find in durian season. But papaya no season all year. As I told you, it has no flavor. It's just crunchy. Okay, I will show you when we make papaya salad. But we pick one and then we go there. Okay, now you know the green one is the young one. Then turn to the orange one is older. It's different type, but just different type. This is a green papaya that we just pick from over there. This is a good thing that we have our own fruit and vegetable in our house, and it's difficult to grow in Thailand, tropical climate. Okay, I will show you how to peel it. So we have to peel. Use the peeler. Peel like this. You see, it's quite white color, but if it's rough, it's orange. And then we use the shredder. We shred. See, papaya salad we do like this. This already shredded papaya. Okay, so now I show you how to cook traditional papaya salad by Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School. Okay, this menu I already show you in my cooking class as well. So even you stay in your house, as you learn in my school, but if you travel to Thailand, don't forget to come here. Okay, so papaya. Now you know this has a flavor, but I like more colorful. That's why I add more carrot. But what else? Ingredients: garlic, chilies if you like. Okay, chili maybe at least one. Okay, long bean, tomato. Okay, lime, roasted peanut. If you are peanut allergic, skip it. Okay, palm sugar. Okay, this is very important. Okay, it make more flavor than you use a regular sugar and fish sauce. Don't need. Okay, the first thing we start with the garlic. You can put one or two. That's okay. And then we have to crush. Okay, to take the skin off like this. Okay, or anywhere you smash like this. It's easy to take the skin off too. Okay, like this. And then we smash the garlic first to bring out the flavor. And then long bean. Okay, just break it, just 1 inch like this. Chili, I put 3. I don't know how many chilies you put, but my staff prepared for me 5. Okay, maybe I put 5. Okay, just take the stem off like this and put inside. I put 5 chili. I think Thai people we never count. They put just handful, a pinch, big pinch, a handful put inside. But when you travel to Thailand, if you cannot eat too spicy, you should not say not spicy. You should say no chili or how many chilies. Like for me, sometimes I said, oh, I put just 3 chilies. You can say 1 chili. Don't say no spicy. Just mean that no spicy for the people who cook for you, but for you, choose spicy. Then smash. Just a little bit smash, not too strong smash because you bring out the seed a lot. It's way too spicy. Papaya salad, Thai people call som tam. Som just means sour, tam just means something like that, smash. Tam, som tam. Just smash, just like this. Okay, and then we add tomato. And a little bit crushed, not too smashed because tomato is quite soft. And then we add the palm sugar. Have you ever seen the palm sugar before? I think your country you can find just a little block one, the dry one, but in Thailand or in Cambodia, just like this, made from the sap of palm tree. We put a little bit, a tip of spoon. Or if you're concerned about sugar, you just skip it. And fish sauce, just 2 shake, okay. 2 shake, lamb, take the seed and squeeze the lamb and put the skin inside. This is a trick. Put the skin inside to make more aroma and mix together the sugar. Here, you have to stir it until the sugar is gone. I want to show you all the smell. I don't know how to explain. It's all flavor together. Smell lemony, spicy, salty. You see the sauce. Technique today. If you have no green papaya, as I told you, use carrots, use cucumber, use apple, anything you have in your kitchen. Not only papaya, okay? In Thailand, as I told you before, we have a lot of papaya. That's why we have to use papaya. We have no apple here, okay? Stir it until you see, you get the sauce like this. Can you smell? I got a lot of smell, okay? And then put the papaya inside like this. 1 handful and 1 hand smash, 1 hand flip. This is a traditional papaya salad, but actually some places they add some optional like fermented fish, pickled crab or anything that's optional. Be careful your stomach if you're not used to. But here, clean. And then peanut, if you're not allergic, if you like a palm, like this, and smash. You see, a little bit closer. Come here. You see. This. Mix together. All the flavor together. And then put it on your plate. Cool. That's it. This is papaya salad. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell and follow us in next clip. Scenic Thai Cooking School.
Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic.